So right now, firstly, I'm using a moisturizer. Actually, this is not a moisturizer. This is a lotion from Vaseline. Vaseline Healthy Bright. This lotion. Let's try. It absorb in your skin quickly. Also, it has SPF in it. Now I'm going to apply this BB cream from Pond's because I don't want to apply foundation on my face. Usually, I do not apply foundation on my face. Sometimes I apply this and I go out. Otherwise, sometimes I don't also. And just blend it with your hands and you're good to go. But just don't take more amount, otherwise you will feel your face is sticky. Now I wanted to lock everything, so I'm going to use this powder. So this is not for face actually, but yeah, the Deep Bella powder, I liked it and it's suiting my skin. It's literally like for baby, for kids, but I'm using this. So now I'm going to apply lip balm. So this is Lip Love from Lakme in the flavor mango. This is the eyeshadow palette which I'm going to use right now, and I'm not using any kind of brush, so I'm going to directly just dab and use it because I just wanted to do a simple makeup but look a little bit better. So I'm just going to dab it because I don't want more coverage and I don't want it to look too much. I've done too much makeup. Literally, you can see I've applied it with my naked hands and it's still looking better. Now I'm applying to this light shade on the sides and the start as well. So I've used 1, 2 and 3 shades. I'm going to lock it with my eyeliner. So this is a liquid eyeliner by Lakme. And I've applied it right now on my eyes. Now I'm using this eyeliner over here. So this is a liquid eyeliner by Lakme. I usually use a liquid eyeliner only. So today I'm actually applying a petal eyeliner with this liquid eyeliner. So let me show you again. So this is the eyeliner by Lakme and I've applied it right now on my eyes. Final look which is not too much glam and it's like my natural skin and you can see the glow over here.